Hello guys, standard 6, chapter number 16, air around us. So in the previous video, we have learnt about the gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, then uses, that means the importance of carbon dioxide in air. Then we have discussed about water vapor, what is humidity, how to find relative humidity. Then there was one activity that has been given to you all to write down the date and the place, then maximum relative humidity of that place, then maximum temperature. So this all things has been explained in the previous video. So guys, today what are we going to learn? We will discuss about dust, smoke and other particulate matters and other pollutants, right? So guys, what is particulate matter? So yeah, particulate matter, that means there are few things. If we see in the Samakatha area ke side, before 3 months, right? If anyone have observed that, just remind it ki it looks like one smoke type substances which is present in air, but we can't see it clearly, right? Which floats in the air. So this matter is called as particulate matter, right? It is generally in the form of mixture of minute. That means it is very small, that we can't see in our eyes, right? And in the air, it suspends its particles in the form of solid and liquid droplets, right? And these both are pollutants. It creates pollution in air, and this pollution of air affects on humans' health, like acid. It is nitrates and sulfate. What is nitrate and sulfate? So we know that ki by the factory release carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen gas, and sulfur dioxide, that means ki sulfur wala gas. So it causes acid rain, right? It causes acid, and this is very much harmful for the human body. Then dust particles, then pollen grains, then soot. Soot means what? It's a black color powdery substances, right? Smoke also. And actually what happens when vehicles like motorbike, 4-wheel, truck, these heavy vehicles which runs on fuel like petrol, diesel and kerosene, so when this all the fuels burns, what happens? Smoke will release in air. And earthenware chulas, that means ki olden days wala jo chulas, it also releases smoke, too much smoke in air, right? So this all the smoke will be carried out from one place to the another place, and it causes pollution of air. And what are the other pollutants of air? So during the Diwali time, firecrackers, what happens during the firecrackers? There will be gas, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxide, NO2s will be released in air. It causes acid rain, right? These all are called as greenhouse gases. And due to the greenhouse gases, there is bad ozone, there is ground level ozone, so it causes lungs disease, right? And how this ground level ozone has been created? During the emission of gas, that means ki by the vehicle like rickshaw, auto rickshaw, truck, diesel truck, the vehicles which runs on petrol, diesel and kerosene, it releases this pollutions wala gas in air. Other gases, other pollutants like paint, aerosol spray, building material, then pesticides that farmers are used to use in farm. Due to this all, pollution causes in air. And so right now people are used to use the CNG gas. It is called as compressed natural gas. What is the full form of CNG? It is compressed natural gas, right? And electric car and electric bike people are using right now, because these both are environment friendly, because using of this both there is no pollution in air, right? Okay guys, let's see today's homework. Take out MCQ number 5 in exercise, solve in exercise, solve in textbook also, right? Then turn your page. In two example, solve question number 2 and 3 in textbook. Then short question answer 2, distinguish 1, and long question number 3. Write it down this all in fair notebook, right? Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.